Hi everyone, it's Jill and I am thrilled to share with you our holiday baking magic kit that is being shipped right now to all of you. It contains the most amazing, fun treats that you'll be able to make for this holiday with your family and then hopefully share it with your family and friends. So let me show you what is in our holiday baking magic kit. First of all, it comes in our beautiful red box, which is so amazing. First, I wanted to let you know that inside you're going to be getting us a gift with an e-cookbook that you can download that's going to have 15 extra recipes that you can use to roll out and make cookie decorating funner this year. Also, in your kit, you always get our welcome card that not only tells you all the things that are in the kit, but also on the back invites you to our bake-along videos where you learn how to decorate and bake all of these recipes that you're getting in the kit. So let me show you what you're getting in the kit. You're getting this very large cookie cutter Christmas tree. I'll show you in a second what these all go with the recipes. This is a gift tag cookie cutter, isn't that cute? Little candy cane cookie cutter. You're going to be making some candy cane cookies with crushed candy canes in the recipe, and then we call them Hug-a-Mug candy cane cookies. And these mittens, I'll show you what that recipe is for. A little straw, you need that for your gift tags, some piping bags, your color gels, your gingerbread cookie spice blends, so you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of spices, we're giving them to you, some snowflake quins that you put on your gift tag cookies, and some stickers, and of course your Collectors Apron Pin. I'm wearing mine right now. It's a little cookie that looks like a Santa's elf, adorable. Let me show you the recipes. Okay, the first one is our Hug-a-Mug candy cane cookies, so adorable, and we show you how to decorate them, make them on the back. Then is our magic mitten brownies using your mitten cookie cutter. And here is our gingerbread gift tag cookies. This gingerbread recipe is so good. If you love gingerbread, you're gonna wanna have this recipe. It's amazing. And with your large Christmas tree cookie cutter, you're going to be making Christmas tree pancakes and then letting the kids and everyone in the family decorate the pancakes with all kinds of toppings. And of course, you always get your ingredient list. A lot of the recipes have things that you already have at your house, but obviously everyone goes grocery shopping. So we want to make sure that you don't forget the things that you're going to need in your recipes, because we want kids to know what bring the kids shopping. They can learn exactly how all these ingredients go together in the recipes. And then on this side, we're going to show you some fun ways that you can package up your goodies so that you can give them as gifts. And don't forget that if you're a brand new member, you get a free Kids Apron, and we're also offering free shipping right now, which makes it so much easier. And we're shipping right now, so don't forget to go to kidsbakingclub.com and we will ship it to you right now. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.